Hello everyone, today I'd like to do a quick unboxing and review of this LED tactical flashlight by Thixton. It has a brightness of 3000 LM lumens, so I'm going to open it up and we'll see what's inside and how it looks. So it comes in this nice package and a very sturdy case made of plastic. See, it's nice and durable. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, sorry for the camera. So here, I like this sealing, very nicely made, and this is also for carrying. This is the flashlight itself, so I'm not sure if it's charged or not, but hopefully it is. It's good to go. It's not very heavy, not very light, so it has a good feel in your hands. So it's stuck at this point. Okay. There's a good nice lanyard. Okay, there's some schematics explaining. So we have also batteries, which is appreciated. Some cables. Also, this is, I think, this is for the batteries. Yes, it should go inside. This additional, I think it's for the mounting, like you can mount it on your bike or anywhere else. Oh, comes with the, assuming it's a battery charger. Looks like it, because you know I'm discovering this product with you guys. Yeah, this looks like it's either the battery charger or, you know, just to show you if your battery is good or it's not good at all. Oh, it's battery charger. Perfect. A nice user manual, which is just this carton. It's on the back. I wish it was bigger letters, but it's fine. And there's this note. So let's see it in action. So just a cool thing about it, I just realized, so it comes with already pre-installed rechargeable battery, but if you want to use regular AAA, like AAA batteries, you have them, and this is what you can install. But you know, basically to make sure that the battery is good to go, you just unscrew the bottom. See, the battery's here and it's really large. I haven't seen a battery like this. It says rechargeable, so it's their own battery. It was with this protective cover, which I removed, and then I just screwed everything back, and I was able to use it. So it has 3 modes as shown here. So you can just, you know, if you make it larger, you have a different, you know, light spread, so you can go based on the situation. And I'm just going to show you that this is the light. As you can see, it's pretty, and it changes, as you can see, as I'm drawing it further, it's making it much more narrower. So yeah, I'm really impressed. I think the quality is really good. It's really good on your hands, and I highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.